Alright, so right now I am on my way over to Steve's house and we're gonna do some work on my 2012 Ford Expedition. So I'm gonna put a couple of brake calipers, pads, rotors on this thing, and we got videos on how to do that stuff. So go ahead, you already blew through the intersection, buddy. People are morons. So anyway, so we're actually gonna also flush out the power steering on it. This truck has, let's see, 212,000 miles on it. Steering wheel's getting a little stiff in it. Power steering fluid's pretty old, and it's looking pretty gross in there. So picked up some power steering fluid. We're gonna flush that out, show you guys how to do it. We'll create a video on doing that. And other than that, man, I've had this head cold for like 2.5 weeks going on. My face has felt like a bowling ball, and I finally went to the walk-in the other day and got some antibiotics. Starting to feel a little bit better. It was horrible, but other than that, kind of looking at my wounds over here. So we're gonna put the foot to the firewall, start rolling back into some more videos for you guys. And we threw some stuff up there last week. I fixed a fan and a light in my house too. Those videos are pretty good, and I put a link in those videos to the fan and the light over on Amazon if you want to check them out. So I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching the channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Take it easy.